In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a subtask to a new parent task. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a subtask without losing any context, so your workspace stays organized and easy to navigate. Let's begin by opening the subtask you want to move. Make sure you're looking at the subtask's own detail view, not just a quick preview. This is where you can see its title, description, assignee, and due date. Take a second to confirm it's the correct subtask, especially if you have similar names in your project. Verifying now helps you avoid moving the wrong item. Next, look for the task options, often represented by a three-dot menu or labeled as more actions. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the subtask view or near its title. If you don't see it right away, hover over the header or expand the subtask pane. Some interfaces hide these controls until you interact with them. The goal here is simply to reveal the menu that contains management options for this subtask. From that menu, choose the option to move or convert the subtask. Different tools may phrase it slightly differently. Move, reparent, convert to subtask of, or move to another task. But they serve the same purpose. Selecting this tells the system you want to change the subtask's parent without altering its core details like comments, attachments, or due dates. Now select the new parent task where the subtask should go. You'll usually get a search box or a list to browse. Type the exact name of the target task and double check you're picking the right one, especially if your workspace has tasks with similar titles. If your tool supports it, glance at the project or section shown next to the task name for extra confirmation. This prevents the subtask from ending up in the wrong place. When you're confident, confirm the move. A confirmation prompt may appear to summarize what's about to change. Review it, then proceed. The move typically happens instantly, and all of the subtask's content travels with it. Finally, open the new parent task to make sure the subtask is now listed there. Expand its subtask list if needed and confirm the subtask appears in the correct spot. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the view or clearing any filters. Once you can see it under the new parent, you're all set. That's it. You opened the subtask, used the options menu to move it, selected the new parent, confirmed, and verified the result. Keeping subtasks correctly nested helps your team stay aligned and your projects run smoothly.